lovely young woman, a very courageous person who would like to share a few words with you tonight. So, please go ahead.
Hi, my name is Ellie, and thanks to my pediatrician, Dr. De Silva, my oncologist, Dr. Rosenfeld, and my radiation oncologist, Dr. Zaki, and last but not least, my awesome neurosurgeon, Dr. Bardwaj, I will be celebrating my 11th birthday in 3 weeks, cancer-free, or tumor-free. In October last year, I was diagnosed with a grade 2 ependymoma in the fourth ventricle. It was about 4 centimeters and was causing me to have very bad headaches and vomiting. Thanks to quick actions of Dr. D, I was sent for an MRI of my brain and admitted to Phoenix Children's Hospital the very same day. At that time, I met Dr. Bardwaj, who will forever be my hero and someone I look up to for the rest of my life. In his masterful hands, my tumor was completely removed and I made a very fast recovery, finishing radiation treatment in December. As you can see, he was able to preserve my speech, balance, and I didn't have to lose my hair, which for a 10-year-old girl is obviously very important. I stayed in the hospital for a week and it was the scariest time of my life. I am very afraid of needles and pretty much all medical things, so the experience was really terrifying for me. But I was taken care of by some great people like Dr. Bardwaj, Dr. Rosenfeld, Child Life, the nurses, and lots of people who came to visit. On my first night there, Dr. Chi told us to throw a party for me, so we had about 20 people in my room the next day, and it was very loud. Child Life arranged to have my room decorated with One Direction posters and streamers and balloons, and all my friends came to wish me luck. I was pretty famous on the 7th floor, and everyone who came by said I was the healthiest kid on the floor, and before my surgery, since I didn't have a headache then. We had music and food, and did each other's nails, and my room looked like a toy store when everyone had left. So many presents. I keep losing my place. I have to say that the part of it was pretty cool. It really did help me feel better about my upcoming surgery and treatment. When Dr. Bardwaj invited me to speak here, I was really excited because I love talking, and now I have something important to talk about other than One Direction and horses. Dr. Bardwaj talked to me about some of the things he's working on, which sound very exciting for the future. Some things that might mean other kids don't have to go through 5 hours of brain surgery and 6 weeks of radiation like I did. He spoke of vaccines, tests, and techniques that can mean a cure for brain tumors and other scary things that no 10-year-old should have to know about. Despite being really smart, even though I say it myself, I don't understand it all completely. Maybe one day I will, and even follow in his footsteps, as many of you here tonight are doing. Now I have a big scar on the back of my head, and I go for my first follow-up MRI on Wednesday, which means another needle. But my doctors and I are confident about my future, and my family and I try not to worry too much about it, just living in the moment. Hopefully Dr. Bardwaj will let me get back on a horse soon. How about it?
He's right here.
Thank you for listening to my story and inviting me here. Enjoy your dinner.
Please give another warm round of applause for Dr. Bardwaj.